Take a slow breath in and release it gently. Allow your body to settle into this moment. Allow your heart to move at its own pace. Today, I release the pressure to trust too quickly. I do not owe immediate access to anyone.
Trust is not rushed, trust is built, trust is revealed through time.
Truth and consistent action. I am allowed to observe. I am allowed to ask questions. I am allowed to wait until words and actions agree.
I am allowed
I do not need
to ignore uncertainty,
to appear healed. I do not need
to lower my boundaries,
to prove that I have forgiven. Safety can be earned slowly. Connection can grow gently. My heart can open without becoming unprotected.
I trust myself to notice what is real. I trust myself to recognize what is repeated. I trust myself to step back
When something feels unclear,
the need to force what is not ready. I give trust with wisdom. I allow loyalty to reveal itself.
I welcome honesty that remains consistent. Trust can return
Slowly,
safely in its own time.